Once upon a time, there was a certain martial arts teacher. He excelled in the martial art of throwing pebbles at the target by hand. A certain young man who was with him had a great desire to learn this craft. But the teacher did not like it because of his nature. But he begged the teacher to teach him. He helped the teacher and stayed with him for some time. One day the teacher had to agree to his request. Then, step by step, he was trained in this art for a long time. He became adept at throwing pebbles by hand at the right target. After thanking the teacher, he asked for permission to try this technique in practice. The teacher, who did not allow it, said that he would have to pay this much if an accident happened to a human being and this much if he harmed an animal. Then he left anxiously, and on the way he met a walking monk who was wearing robes and had shaved his hair. Without anyone's permission, "I will aim for this monk." So the stupid young man was thrown at the ear hole of the monk. The small stone that entered the ear hole quickly excited the other ear hole of the monk. The Lord, who was in great pain, calmed down. Having established his consciousness, he was an extremely supreme Lord who attained nirvana. The Blessed One came to his chamber from the air and was absolved there. The surrounding villagers came to the hut to find out about the Blessed One, who did not come to accept their donations. It was discussed who did the stone throwing. This young man was among them and proudly said that he had done this. The angry and pained villagers attacked him and killed him. Looking at the current world, many similar situations can be cited as examples. Many talented and educated people use them for the destruction of the world and society. Technology is used to create dangerous weapons. Terrible diseases have been released into the world. Thefts, murders, frauds, and corruption are carried out by the people themselves. But they do it to prolong their own life in sansara. Therefore, take it into your heart that your education and abilities will never be used for the destruction of yourself and all other beings. May triple gems bless you.